Hi everyone, I'm Troy Raujo and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Dell XPS 13 laptop. This model is 9315 in the Dell XPS series. The main features of this laptop is that it's Intel Evo i7, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, and it comes with Windows 11 with 12 Gen. As you can see in the box, we have type C to 3.5 mm audio jack, we have type C to USB connector, and we have the power adapter. Welcome to Dell, let's do great things together. This laptop, the XPS 9315, comes with 12th generation Intel i7. It has 16 GB RAM, which is really good, and 512 GB SSD. It's very important to have a good RAM and SSD on your laptop because random access memory helps with how you can open applications quickly on your laptop, and solid state drive is important for quick data transfer. This is Intel Core Evo i7 with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. The XPS series is Dell's premium laptops. As you can see, the design is sleek. This laptop weighs only 1.17 kg, which makes this very portable and lightweight. If we talk about the ports on the 9315, we only have two ports, one on the left and one on the right, which is the Thunderbolt Type-C port. Dell has provided us in the box with a Type-C to 3.5 mm audio jack and Type-C to USB cable. But if you do need to connect an HDMI cable, then you would have to purchase an additional component from Type-C to HDMI. The screen size of this laptop is 13.4 inches full HD display. We have Windows 11 with Microsoft Office 365 and McAfee 12-month subscription. That's it. This was my video of unboxing and overview of the Dell XPS 9315 model. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.